What's up guys? The day that I've been waiting for, finally here. Okay, so today is Aktiv TrackDay that we've been waiting for since May 2021. So I am rushing like hell to finish all my appointments today, all my tasks at the office, as you can see behind here. Ta-da! Okay, now heading back to RS Garage Sunway. Preparing some stuff. We're gonna check my brake pads just to show you something here. I already opted for this new extra UHP tires by Dunlop. It's a drier Z3. It's quite beefy, and I already installed back my bucket seat, as you guys might have seen from my previous videos. And engine all done, check everything, and yeah, catch you guys shortly. Final check before going to RS. Shoe, helmet, glove. Where's my glove? Okay, glove inside here. Some fluids there. Top up more at RS. Yes, that one I have to keep. Okay lah, jom RS. As I mentioned earlier, I changed this new set of tires because my Michelin PS4 were already running out. I'm retaining the same size, 225, 40 and 18. Probably planning next year, January, I'll be using a 17-inch set of wheels specifically for track with semi-slicks or something similar. So this is the Reza Z3. People have told me that this is quite on par with Hankook RS4, but it has a better wet grip. Not bad. Here it costs about 800 per piece. Alright. Oh, bloody dirty, man. But I don't want to wash my car today, because if I wash it today, then you're calling the rain gods. So hopefully it doesn't rain for us tonight. Installing back my diffuser. So if you notice, please apologize for my ugly ass exhaust. I sold my JCW Pro and now I'm just using the stock pipes without any tips, just for the sake of running it in the track only. I don't really care. Waiting for my new exhaust set to arrive to Malaysia, and that will be another video. Brake pads, check. Brake hose, check. Tires, check. Hujan lah pula. Okay, final prep before chow. There we go. Just arrived Sepang and it just finished raining. Oh well, what to do? Yes, we are here. Finally, man. No, I'm not live. Finally. Hey bro. Finally. Hey, David. Hey, Fan. Hey, Jacob. Oh, jauhnya. Play count the mini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, sana ada satu lagi. One more. 13, 14. And behind there, they got a few. There's a lot of pits, so I'm lazy to go to everyone.
Okay, one pit only forecast. Alright,
so this is the story. After 5 months of waiting, it just rains when I'm here. Oh man, nak marah tak boleh. What can you do, right? I was getting some grip, you know, during the first and second lap, but then coming to third, then red flag, hujan. So masuk ah. Taking a break. It's a rainy season tonight. Rainy session, sorry. It's a rainy session tonight, so now I'm going out to Petronas to fill up petrol one more round. It was a rainy session, but of course, you know, we make do with what we have. So one quick final photo session before we call it a day. Memorable night. Yeah, of course it rained. Look at how wet is it. Very, very wet. Thank you, Sepang. Thank you for giving me a pleasure, always. And this time, there's so many minis as compared to the previous session that I went. I think last time was only about 5 or 6. This time, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's double. But in actuality, there's about 20. Few more from this side. Ni paling legend. The most sporting mini owner that we know, Professor. Thank you for accepting the livery that we decided. But all in all, the point is to spread joy so that people see and you know they're laughing about it. No mocking or anything. It's just good fun. Thank you all Maniacs. Thank you all MFUG members who joined. Oh, belakang ada lagi, sorry. The two fastest one is at the back. It brings so much joy to me to see so many minis, because last time, you know, it was only just me alone or with some other friends modding my car or what. But after the group has been formed, so now, you know, we happen to have more like-minded maniacs who are, you know, open to participate in this side of activities. So thanks again, Chris, this guy, very handsome guy, Calvin, Jacob, Abun, Ame, Alex, Sifu Alex, Aboy, Yuhao, Farhan, all the way from Seremban. Yeah, Amsha, and yet again, Professor Wahab.
Siapa nak bagi sekolah? Siapa nak bagi sekolah?
For watching, calling it a day. Thank you. See you in the next video. Ciao.